Hello everyone, myself Angad Hanumantanikam. I am from BID. Today is 26th October 2021 and our today's discussion topic is that the exception handling in the Java. So basically we will understand what is exception and what is exception handling, which is present in the Java while coding. So first is that the definition of the exception is that some unwanted events or unexpected obstacles are come or are struck the flow of the program while we run the program. So this is called an exception. Suppose let us understand with the general concept. Suppose I have written a program in the class. I write the various methods like method add. First method is add. Another method is subtraction, another method is multiplication, and from the main method I will access those methods. So but there is an unexpected error present in the subtraction method. So when I run these methods, so inside the method the statements are present. Suppose two statements are present in each method. Addition, in the addition also two statements, and subtraction also two statements. Suppose I have called these two methods from the main method. So first add method will be executed, but another method subtraction is not executed because of the some error present, or the event occurred inside the class due to the syntax error or something else. So the error present in this the error which present in this class in this method, which is called as exception, it obstruct or struck the flow of the program and it cannot compiled and it cannot be run on the console. So this is the exception, and while we handle these exception at any cost at by any way, and we will run the part of the another part of the program. Means that first method add will run automatically because it is correct method. Another method is subtraction, which consists of the exception, while but at any way we will handle these exception, and the part of the program after the subtraction method will we want to execute it. This is the important part. So we will handle this exception by the exception handling. So this concept is it is called as the exception handling. So let us understand technically what is exception. Exception is basically it is the unwanted event which struck the flow of the program, which is called as exception. And these unwanted events or a program or these unwanted events or the obstacles which is handled by any way at any cost, and the flow of the program is not terminated. Program is get compiled and run, and given some desired output by the computer, which is called as the exception handling. So this is the basic definitions of the exception and exception handling. Let us understand it exception handling and exception with the example. Suppose I have to go to the class. My daily schedule is planned. Suppose I want to go to the class to learn the Java at morning 7 a.m. But I go towards the class with the bike, but my bike get punctured. So it strucks or the obstacles is occurred, unwanted obstacles is occurred. But else while I will go to the class at any cost, or at any cost at morning 7 a.m. So I will handle these exceptions. So the bike is punctured, it is the exception, and I will goes towards the class at 7 a.m. on correct time, on right time. So it will be the exception is handled. So this is the exception handling. So there are various exceptions present in the Java programming. Arithmetic exceptions, string out of index out of bound exceptions. Another is that array out of bound exceptions, and the various exceptions present in the Java programming. So they are handled by using try catch method. In the try block, the error block will be we will create the error block or the error statement in the try block, and in the catch we will write the exception, and the exception is handled by using the try block. So this is all about the exception handling and exception. Thank you so much.